I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out.
Hello, good morning. It's another day. It's very early in the morning. So guys, I usually water my plants in the morning and in the evening. So this morning I've just woken up in that kitchen garden so that I can start my day over there by watering my plants there. So guys, and I want to get you something that I got from that kitchen garden, you guys. Yeah, so you can see that is what I got from that kitchen garden. That is dania. Yeah, hiyo nimetoa kwa shamba yangu, kwa kashamba kadogo, and then I got that tomatoes. Yeah, is a tomato plant that is doing well in that farm, and then I have a green pepper. So you can see that one was turning red, and then I have this another green pepper, you guys. Here, so this one, those plants, those everything, this one I got from that kitchen garden, you guys. And then I got cherry tomatoes. Yeah, there's that plant, a tomato plant that is just bearing me, like now it's 2 months having cherry tomatoes in that home, you guys. I love them. I just blend them and then I cook it when I have a stew or a fish somewhere. Yeah, they are so delicious, cherry tomatoes, and very expensive in the supermarket, but me, I'm lucky I have them. And then I got those kales there, misheveve. I got misheveve there. There is kales, there is misheveve there, so, and some spinach down that basin, you guys. You can see my kitchen garden got me plenty of some stuffs here. So, and now guys, I wanted to make a chapati for my kids for lunchtime. So it's around 10, so I am preparing that chapati there, guys. So I did making the duff, I did it off camera, yeah guys, because my phone has some problems. So guys, just catch up with the clip that I'm bringing you. So yeah, I just want to fold them. Yeah, you can see I still did the making those rolls yeah, off camera. So just stay tuned and tell me what you think about the recipe. Yeah, so I have so many chapati recipes links in the channel, so you can just visit my channel and just see what how I usually make the rolls and the duff, you guys. So no more talking, let's get started with cooking the chapati. And for our chapati, we are going to have it with cabbage and stew, guys. So hope you'll enjoy this recipe and to give me a positive comment. And if you are new, my name is Adija. I'm a mom of 3 adults connect basically on making I does anything around my home. So today is all about that. So hope you are going
You're
to share
pulling
it
on my
out.
walls down.
And remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and hit the
I've never been exposed like this before.
so let's get started. And
I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name. Calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been
is how our lunch turned out. So the cabbage is ready over there. Yeah, guys, so I usually cook cabbage because our son was a problem with stomach. And then the meat stew is ready over there. It's very delicious, you guys, and very appetizing. Yeah, and then on the other side the chapatis are there, very soft, very delicious, and very yummy. For my family, you guys here. So my kids loves chapati so much with stew and cabbage. So that is what I prepared for them. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Hope you are going to cook the recipes at your home and you are going to leave a positive comment. Till the next video, bye lovelies, bye. The chapatis are ready. So as you can see, the chapatis, everything is okay there. See how soft they are. Soft they are, guys. See how soft they are. So they're looking. So that is how my chapati is looking, guys. So the chapatis are looking. So yes.